Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got an exciting tutorial for you, how to set up V2Ray Slow DNS on ZIVPN VPN using the UDP Custom website. I'll guide you step by step to ensure you get a smooth and secure connection. Plus, I'll show you how to create your very own V2Ray Slow DNS server, so stay tuned for that. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Alright, let's get started. First, open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and hit enter. You'll see a list of search results. Click on the official UDP Custom website. This is where we'll create our V2Ray Slow DNS server. Once you're on the UDP Custom homepage, locate the menu icon. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines, also known as a hamburger icon, in the top corner of the page. Click on it to reveal a list of options. From the list of options, click on V2Ray Slow DNS Server. This option allows you to create a V2Ray server that supports slow DNS. Once you click on it, you'll be redirected to a page where you need to select a server location. After selecting the location, you'll be taken to the account creation page. Enter a username, solve the CAPTCHA to verify you're not a robot, and then click Create Now. Within seconds, your server will be created, and the details will be displayed on the screen. Now, copy just the V2Ray VMess details for later use. Keep the details in your clipboard, as we'll need them in the next step. Store and searching for ZIVPN app. Now, let's set up V2Ray on the ZIVPN app. First, open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. In the search bar, type ZIVPN and press enter. This will display the search results for the app. Once you find ZIVPN in the list, tap on it to open the app's details page. On this page, you'll see an Install button. Tap on it to begin the download and installation process. Wait for the installation to complete, then tap Open to launch the app. Home screen and activating V2Ray option. Once the app is open, you'll see the home screen. Check the box for V2Ray to activate the V2Ray VMess server settings. So, selecting V2Ray from the drop-down menu. Next, tap the settings icon at the top. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on V2Ray. This will open a new page. Now, simply click the small plus button at the top of the page. This option will automatically import your server details from the clipboard. Once the server is successfully imported, go back to the home screen. Finally, tap the Start button to connect to the internet. That's it! You've successfully connected your V2Ray VMess server settings on the ZIVPN app. And there you have it!